Tim is an IT professional who is responsible for finding and evaluating technology tools for his company. He's recently been asked to implement his company's enterprise BI with PowerBI Premium. With Microsoft Power BI Premium, Tim can access his admin portal to review dedicated resource allocation and monitor usage and consumption across the organization. Microsoft Power BI Premium gives Tim a comprehensive view of his organization, so he can make informed decisions on where capacity should be lowered or increased within his Power BI Premium infrastructure. Customizing user settings is easy. Tim can provide them classic enterprise BI capabilities, such as analysis services, semantic models, support for paginated reports, and deployment on specific global regions, effectively unifying self-service and enterprise-level BI. Once Tim has tailored capacity settings, he has the ability to assign capacity admins across multiple teams to ensure efficiency. To track this, Tim can open the Capacity Metrics app to monitor his system's performance and usage throughout queries, datasets, and connections. The same goes for monitoring workloads like data flows and paginated reports. With this information, Tim can make better decisions to assign hardware to specific tasks. Once he has tracked these functions across the organization, Tim can always add more capacity to his Power BI Premium package and assign it where he sees fit. He also has the ability to assign Microsoft Power BI Pro licenses to anyone within his organization, as well as third-party vendors or suppliers without having to pay a certification fee. Microsoft Power BI Premium gives Tim the ability to track metrics of consumption and to easily adjust capacity as needed. Go from data to insights in minutes. Any data, any way, anywhere. Business intelligence like never before.